Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Why it be say for Nigeria, people they always they oppress the poor. These boys where you dey see for here with Comrade Lucky Orukpe. Now New Benin Market for Edo State, for Benin, New Benin Market. Now these boys for the hustle. Their way where these boys take the hustle for New Benin Market. These boys, they help people wey get shop for New Benin Market. They look for customer wey go come buy something from them. These boys go outside the market or inside the market. They look for customer. Once they see customer where they look for something where they won't buy, they go direct that customer go shop where they go for see that thing buy. The owner of that shop go come settle these boys where they would come Lucky Orukpe. They will come settle them for bringing customer to them. So the money where they will give these boys, now these boys still they survive. But no, another set of boys again for inside the market where they come the market come the hustle. Say make these boys come register with them. It can't be like union. Now union be that. Say make these boys where they would come Lucky Orukpe come register with them. Without these boys no register with them, they no go allow these boys hustle for New Benin Market. Ask me how much these boys they make for the market where they will come to register with union, the settle union. Now this one come make these boys come cry, give Comrade Lucky Orukpe. Now Comrade Lucky Orukpe, they call Edo State Police. Make them come New Benin Market. Come look for all those boys where they cause problem for New Benin Market. Make them pursue them, come off from the market. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Comrade Lucky Orukpe and these boys wey dey with am.
All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you are watching me from. My name still remains Comrade Lucky Orukpe, the president of the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria. You know, 3 days ago, I called on Inspector General of Police, the DSS, for security alert information. When I say we get some migrant criminals, migrant cultists inside New Benin Market. Formerly, every October, November and December, people must die in the name of cultism for inside our market for New Benin. But we don't take it upon ourselves to fight the root cause of that killing. What will be the root cause? Some cult guys come together to extort money from the general public, traders where they hustle. So we are saying no to it. Like the people where they around me here now, all these are victims of exactly waiting at the top. These innocent youths, they come out for their house to do hustling, to find their daily bread. Then these cultist boys meet with them, say, before they feel hustle for inside New Benin Market, see how much they will pay to them. It's unacceptable. We are not going to allow it. What is your name? Lucky. Today is 8th of December 2021. How much they collect for your hand? Okay, speakers, look this video. Government is already seeing it. How much they collect for your hand? What did I say then what you can do? Make it register for their hand. ASAP. Register ASAP. Before you feel the sell. Before you feel the hustle. Okay, wear your cap. Now, when I don't hear for a month. When I don't hear for a month, say before you go feel hustle. For young boy like this to come up for inside house, say he want come hustle for inside market, make it for not thief. He come meet another thief and another cultist inside market. So I think that your 2,000 wey they collect for your hand by force, we are going to collect it and give you back. Are you hearing me? We are going to collect it and give you back. This one now just newly entered the market again. Say make he come hustle, find daily bread. This a cultist boys. Commissioner of Police at those state. Nobody has the monopoly for trouble. We don't want to do trouble. Send your men to New Benin Market. Let us point these boys to you. Inspector General of Police, send your squad to New Benin Market. Let us point these people to you. What did I tell you? Talk command, talk command. Make you bring 5,000. And money for 2 cartons of beer. Before you come the fee hustle, the whole jeans or shoe. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Make you come pay 5,000 to their court association. Then and bring 2 cartons. All these are principal witness. And the people that is doing it, they are inside the market. They don't have shop. They don't have goods that they are selling. Nigeria police, DSS, they say see something and say something. Nobody has monopoly for trouble. We are calling on Inspector General of Police, Commissioner of Police at Edo State, to stop these courtesan activities inside Edo Market and Motor Park. You said that your pocket for bring money come out? To pay who? He said, what did he tell you? What did he tell you?
So for my brother will also, so we need to settle. Now it's okay. I need for this my brother to also now pay 2,000 for my pocket.
Now you give up. What kind of wickedness is this? It may interest to tell you the kind of business all these people they do. They come out from their house, they come to market and look for a shop owner that is already having a shop to help that shop owner to hustle customer. And when they hustle customer and sell jeans or shoe, the shop owner can decide to give them chop money. That is what they come out for their house come do. Where some group of cultists say they must they register, buy cartons of beer before they can hustle in New Benin Market or any other market in Edo State. Edo State Governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the Director of SSS, Edo State, Commissioner of Police, Edo State. This security alert can cause security breach in New Benin Market. We may have some people that want to resist them, and fight will start. We doesn't want anybody to fight. We doesn't want courtesan activities. That is why we have been calling security agents to come to New Benin Market. My name is Comrade Lucky Orukwe. I am ready to point these boys that is doing this evil in the land of Edo State. What is your name? Huh? Okay, Emmanuel. What is your name? Lucky. What is your name? Friday. From this office, if anybody meets you again to oppress you, to intimidate you, no quarrel with the person. My 2 number there here. Don't give anybody 5,000 or 2 crates of malt. My 2 number there here. Call me. Are you hearing me? If anything they happen, my 2 number there here. Call me. Edo people all over the world, the court killings, what are they here? They start for Eastern Market and Motor Park. We have taken it as a challenge to put a stop. For more than 1 year now, nobody don't die. We want to appreciate security agents, but they need to do more. We want to appreciate the vigilantes, they need to do more. most especially essay on security. May your days be long for the job that you are doing. My name still remains Comrade Lucky Orukpe. What we are doing is humanitarian service. Nobody is paying us. All we are saying no to courtesy. We are saying no to thuggery. We are saying no to taxing in our market and outside our market. I am reporting all the way from Benin, Edo State, Nigeria. Thank you.
Now we don't hear from Comrade Lucky Orukpe and the boys where this thing happen to. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.